This is what a day in the life looks like as a digital design nomad travelling through Gili Island. We first started the day by going to my favourite cafe on the island for breakfast, where we caught up with some work. I had my favourite chicken and pesto flatbread. We then hopped on a bike as it's the only way around the island, and we headed to our favourite beach, which is called Turtle Point, because the most amazing thing is you can swim out from these beaches in crystal blue water if the tides are right, and you can swim with turtles. We found 2. Abhishek then bought the first coconut of the day. We then got really hungry, so we headed to this beautiful beach house where we had lunch. After lunch, we hopped back on our bikes and we cycled around the island to explore, and we headed all the way down to the bottom part of the island for sunset. We found the most amazing rock pools filled with so many interesting animals, and Ab bought another coconut and some sweet corn that we ate while watching the sunset. Once the sun had set, we watched this amazing fire dancing by the waterfront, and then we headed to the local fish market for dinner. Later on in the evening, I forced Abhishek to go dancing, and we met up with our scuba diving friends. Then we headed back home and saw the stars from the beach. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and leave any comments below related to design or digital nomad life. Also, you can head over to my Instagram, Digital Design Nomad, to follow me along on my journey around the world, building my design agency and exploring different countries.